Hey guys, well, today's hunt, Jason found some awesome stuff. He got himself another seated dime, 6th one of the week, I guess, and I've seen him. Pulled some cool relics, a lot of buckles, a few other things, so stay tuned. Hey folks, me and Jay decided to come out today and do a little digging. It's raining, but I'm using that big son of a gun today. I got my swing vest on, my pro, and we got a 60-68 in the hole. I'm not sure, but that's usually penny range on that, or whatever it is. It's gonna be right there. Let's see, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Yeah, I lost it. Oh, it's gonna be right there. Yeah, we got corn, guys. Around this. And I believe that's gonna be an Indian. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Yeah, let me clean it up and I'll show you. Well, we cleaned that up and it's a Lincoln, but it's weedy. It's old. That puts us in silver range, so we got quite a bit of field out here to go. Anything else cool, we'll get back to you. Hey, 603. I just come across a crunchy signal. It was ringing 75 though, but it was real crunchy. We dug it, and it ended up being a little buckle, some horse tack. Crunchy because the iron right there, the pin, it's made out of iron. And I'm using the Pro today with that big 15x17 coil. So that's not bad. Alright, anything else, we'll get back to you. Hey ladies and gentlemen, I come across another signal. I was reading 35, 40, and sometimes even 60. And I'm using that big coil, so that's what I got in the hole. Ended up with an old pocket knife. That brass, I think, was ringing high on that. And also, big old chunk of lead. But the knife was full of steel, so that's what was jumping around. Alright, anything else, I'll turn you back on. Alright, hey guys. Hey, Jay just got himself a pocket watch. Silver plated, I think.
Yeah, ring it fine enough.
Yeah, he says it's a target that I dug and just said to hell with it. But that's cool.
The back of it looks pretty nice.
Yeah, clean it up. See if we got any detail on it. Still got the gears in it. We find them all the time. But alright, yeah, we changed property, so we're no longer in the field. Stopped raining. And anything else, we'll get back to you. Yeah guys, we're going along and we get a 15, but me and Jay are in a real trash area, so that's what I thought it was. We dug it, and it ended up being a spoon. A fairly old one. Yeah, clean it up and I'll show you. Oh, A603, we cleaned that spoon up. And it was silver plated at one time. Bent it back so it looked like a spoon, weren't all mangled. And next cool find, we'll turn you back on. Well, hey guys, Jason just dug himself another seated. You can see that. What'd you say yours, Jay?
1891.
1891. Nice. We decided to move to a cornfield. A couple of spots this afternoon, just too wet, too high to swing. Just didn't work out. So glad we came here. Anything good, we'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, I got a pretty decent signal. It was a bouncy though, 18, 19, 20. And let's see if we can get it. It's right there. Oh, oh, oh. Oh! What's that, guys? What we got? Oh, it's a tag. Yeah, clean it up and get in the light and I'll show it to you. Hey guys, we cleaned that up and it ended up being a tag. Copper tag. It says Parker and Davis. I don't know if it's a fob or... Not sure. Anything else? I'll turn you back on. Yeah, hey YouTube. Hey, we're going along and I get a pretty decent signal. I got a 16 solid. Yeah, we'll pop the plug and see what it is. Oh, it's right there, whatever it is. Maybe a button. Let's see. What's been going on? This pinpoint already. Oh, the green. What is it? You know, we're gonna have some horse tack. Little buckle. Sun's not being my friend. There you go. Anything else? I'll turn you back on. Hey YouTube. Hey, going along. I got a decent signal. I was locking 16 on my Knox. I put my Garrett away. That thing's a tank to swing sometimes, even with a swing kit. But yeah, let's see if we can find it. Yeah, whatever it's gonna be right there. Nope, it hit my pinpointer. Nope, roundness. There's a button. Oh, it's got fancy on it. A nipple button. Yeah, run a brush over it and we'll see it. Well, hey, we cleaned that up and that's an awesome button. It's got a, it's concave. It's got the shank on the back. Keeps up here. In the front, it's what I've called a nipple button. You got a nipple. Alright, anything else? I'll get back to you. Yeah, hey guys, I come across another somewhat decent signal. It was kind of choppy. It was 16, 17, 18. But if I can dig it, we'll dig it. Turn that on. Yeah, whatever it is, it's gonna be right there. Still right there. Oh, what's that? Piece of lead. Ah, you know what that is. That is what they call a bale seal. Yeah, let me clean it up. Well, we cleaned that up, and it's a bale seal. And it's got some markings on the back. On the front. This is P & Co. And it's got some stars around it. Like this. But that's cool. Alright, we'll get back to you. Alright, hey guys. Jason just dug an old spoon. Yeah, it's paper thin. Twisted, but I'd say early 1800s on that one. Alright guys, anything else, we'll get back to you. Hey guys, and Jay just brought this over to me. So it's like number 4 buckle today. Well, we'll get back to you. If we don't find anything, I'll see you on the wrap up. Yeah, hey guys, hey, Jay just done a weird find. It's a rosy, but God knows what happened to it. It's got big bubbles in it, and it's just tore up. Yeah, anything else cool, we'll get back to you. If not, I'll see you on the wrap up. Well, hey folks. Hey, we had another solid 16 in the hole. And we popped the plug. We'll get the pinpointer and see if we can't see what it is. Oh, right there. Right there. So, oh, I see green. It's gonna be, another debuckle. Found quite a few of those today. Yes, you know, it's getting to be the middle of November. We're out here, no jacket, digging. That's awesome. Turned out it was raining this morning, and me and Jason went out. We hit a couple of different spots, and we ended up in a 1700s cornfield. And we're making our ways back to the truck now. So, anything good, I'll turn you back on. If not, I'll see you at the wrap up. Well, hey guys, we're wrapping up. It's getting dark out, and this is the haul for today. You got some decent stuff. We'll put you up a little bit. Jay got some clad, and we ended up getting that nipple button. You got a seated dime. What was that bad boy? $18.91. Got a couple of flat spoons, a musket ball, another spoon. That cool pocket watch. The spoon we got in the field. There's the junk pile. Then we got some more buckles. Got that bear seal. A hinge. And whatever this was. Some kind of a tag. Like an old pocket watch. But, well, that's going to wrap it up, guys. Have a safe Saturday, and we'll see you on the next one.